Looking to boost morale and sprinkle a little positivity around your workplace? Say no more. Introducing today's Grategy challenge, the Gratitude Wall. It's like your workspace's very own Hall of Fame, but for good vibes and high fives. Here's the game plan. Find a wall, even just a corner, where everyone can post what they're grateful for. It's a real-time snapshot of all the good things that's happening around you. And this just isn't about sticky notes. It's about building a culture where everyone feels seen and appreciated, whether you're behind the desk or on the shop floor. So grab those markers, sticky notes, and let's get this gratitude train rolling. Because when everyone feels valued, that's a win-win for the whole team. And if you choose to do today's Grategy challenge, make sure you use that hashtag, the Gratitude Wall. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you next time. Hey, subscribe to my channel and check out the description below for some awesome extras you don't want to miss. Catch you in the next video.